Omnipotent means most powerful. So when we say omnipotent God, it means that He is the most powerful God. Omniscient means most knowledgeable. So when we say omniscient God, it means that He is the most knowledgeable God. Omnipresent means that most present everywhere. So when we say omnipresent God, it means that He is the God who is present everywhere. If you're feeling ignorant, just pray to the omniscient God and He will give you wisdom. If you're feeling weak, just pray to the omnipotent God and He will give you strength. If you're feeling that you're losing direction or nowhere to go, just pray to the omnipresent God and He will guide your way towards Him.